Hey y'all, it's Allie again. Today we're going to interview some of my classmates to see what their favorite things about Trinity and the beautiful island of St. Vincent are. So come on, let's go. What's your favorite thing about St. Vincent?
So I really like to garden, so I just love going on a walk around the island and then just picking all the different fruit from the trees, and it doesn't get any better than that. So
Fantastic, thank you so much. Telling me, what is your favorite thing about Trinity School of Medicine?
So I really like that the students at Trinity really band together. I feel like you get a lot of support from the upperclassmen and the lowerclassmen, and you can just tell that the students really do care about each other no matter what anybody's situation is. So I really like that.
I totally agree. What is your favorite thing about St. Vincent?
That's a good question. Okay, with my experience of living on the island for almost 6 years, I would say there are a lot of things to offer for the students and families here. I would start off with the beaches, so exploring the beaches in the Grenadines, which is beautiful. Then on the mainland, I would usually explore a lot of hidden waterfalls.
Yes.
We do a lot of hiking to volcanoes, and as a general one-day trip, you could also do like the botanical gardens, and we have some small beaches on the island as well, but I would prefer the Grenadines anyway.
Amazing. Same here. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
Devendra. What is your favorite thing about St. Vincent?
I would say my favorite thing is probably the beaches. They have some of the nicest, prettiest beaches I've seen. They're very unique and a great place to hang out.
Agreed. Thank you. I want to know, what is your favorite thing about St. Vincent?
That's a great question. I definitely have to say, for me, I have both sides of my family here who love spending time with them. Any chance that I get when I'm outside of school, I'm always there.
What is your favorite thing about St. Vincent?
I absolutely love St. Vincent. Getting to live on the beach is amazing. The nature, the water, diving, scuba diving, hiking volcanoes. It's such a great place if you like to be active, so it's been amazing living here.
She is definitely our active girl. All right, and next we have Grace. Grace, I want to know, what is your favorite thing about Trinity?
I love the small class sizes. I feel like you actually get to know the professors and they are super approachable, and help is just around the corner. All you have to do is ask. That's the best part.
Awesome. Next we have Joey. Joey, tell me your favorite thing about St. Vincent.
I've grown up a sailor my entire life, and so it's been an amazing opportunity to go and explore a bunch of the islands and do some of the best sailing on the trade winds in the world down here. So.
Fantastic. Super cool. And D'Angelo, will you tell me your favorite thing about Trinity?
Well, same as Grace, small class sizes make it very close-knit, tight friendship, and lunchtime with someone else.
Casual cards at lunch. It's pretty awesome. What is your favorite thing about Trinity?
I love the hands-on experience here at Trinity. For example, yesterday we got to go do an autopsy on a cadaver, and it was in the hospital, and you got to be on the ground with the local people as well. So that's what I really love.
Speaking of Trinity, Elbers, will you tell me your favorite thing about going to school here?
Favorite thing would be your classmates, I think. You can make a really good group very easily. You guys can connect, study hard. Most of the time you guys will end up with the same grade unless you're slacking, but your classmates will keep you accountable as well when we're studying.
Fantastic. So true. What is your favorite thing about Trinity School of Medicine?
The students. Yeah, they're wonderful. Nice. I'm just happy that they're here. And we love the interaction of everything on our course.
Well, we appreciate that, and we appreciate y'all too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Just tell me, what is your favorite thing about going to Trinity School of Medicine?
My favorite thing is definitely the people, and everything's like walking distance, so it's not like very hard to like travel to class. And also, probably like I can walk out and go get a mango.
Yes, you sure can. Mango. What is your favorite thing about Trinity?
Well, my favorite thing about Trinity, well, it's the students, seeing different persons from all around the world, getting to know them, and different things about them and their lives and so forth. And I love seeing them when they're making progress. I love making friends with you guys also, talking and interacting and what's that. Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about going to school at Trinity?
I like going to the classes and stuff, and some nice small groups with everyone, small classroom sizes, and also there's a lot of sports involved as well, which is ball hockey, pickleball, volleyball, soccer, basketball. There's so many clubs that students can just go and just play, and yeah,
Fantastic.
Just have fun.
What's your favorite one?
Probably soccer.
Okay, cool. Coming from the Canadian. I thought he was going to pick ball hockey.